Hi guys, welcome to your channel Versatile for you. My name is SN Ali and I hope you all are doing well. So in this video I would gonna tell you about a new prop firm. So let me go to their websites. So this is a retail prop firm. So the name of this prop firm is My Funded FX. So here you can manage the capital up to 200k dollars, their funds and your profit. So let's scroll its website. So it's a my funded FX trader. So here you will get many benefits, like there is no commission of the broker, so you can trade on any assets and there is no broker commission. Beside this, no minimum trading days, so you can trade as in a little as 2 day, so you can trade according to you. Beside this, no style restriction. With no constituency rules, you are free to trade how you want. So it's a very good prop firm where you can go and join and gain the profit. So here are few steps you have to do. First is a trading challenge. So here what you have to do, here they give you up to 30 days and you have to gain the 8% profit of total account. So in the challenge 1, there is a minimum trading day which is 1 and maximum there are 30 days. So you have to here are few objectives, like maximum daily loss, which is 5%, okay, and maximum initial account balance, which is 8%, okay. So beside this, you have to gain 8% of in 30 days. After doing this, if you successfully gain 8%, then there is number 2 challenge. So here you have to do 5% in 60 days. So after doing complete these two challenges, you will get a account. Here you have to submit your document and you get a account up to 200k dollars, and you can get 80% commission of that. As written there, our funds your profit. The fund is from the company, and profit you will get after your trading. So it's a very good prop firm. There is also a Discord channel of this prop firm. So after opening the Discord channel, here are the payment proofs. You can see these are the payment proof which they have given to their clients. So it's a very good prop firm. You can join it and you can gain the profit. Have a nice day.